Welcome to this course on mastering Skedulo List Views. If you're an admin or an implementer and want to create polished, powerful, and engaging list views, you're in the right place. In this course, I'm going to take you through everything from the basics to advanced techniques and provide templates that you can reuse with every list view you build. In this course, you'll learn how to find and navigate list views so you can quickly access the data you need, filter, sort, and save views to organize records in a way that makes sense for your various workflows, customize column templates by adding related fields, applying formatting, and making key details stand out, and enhance list views with features like quick search and custom headers to improve usability. And by the way, this won't just be theory. You'll follow along step by step where you'll be able to apply the skills and techniques you're learning along the way, and by the end you'll have practical skills that you can apply to any list view with Skedulo. This course is designed for administrators, implementers, consultants, and developers. So whether you're new to Skedulo or looking to refine your skills, this course will take you from the basics to advanced techniques, helping you create polished and highly functional list views. Now that you know what to expect, let's dive in and start mastering list views.